Hello everyone. Welcome to how to set up your pipeline in Pipedrive. The first thing you are going to want to do when you start out in Pipedrive is to adjust the pipeline settings to your business. This is all about, how can we customize these stages, like lead in, and or needs defined, etc. The new way to do this is directly from the pipeline view. Just click the little pen item or use the drop down and edit pipeline. Once you are on the pipeline settings page, you will be able to edit the name of your pipeline and its stages. Just like so. And so. And also delete. As well as add new stages. Remember, pipeline stages represent the steps in your sales process. So make sure that you have thought about your sales process in advance. Click Add Stage on the right to add more, although we usually recommend that you keep your sales pipeline between 4 to 6 stages. From here you can also configure the deal probability or your pipeline and forecast views. And stage probability representing your confidence in winning a deal. The routing feature is a great visual cue indicating that you probably should not forget about a certain deal. From here you can also add more pipelines. But, consult first on why adding more pipelines might be a good or bad idea, depending on the situation. The nice thing is that every new pipeline is already pre-populated and you just have to change it to your personal preference. This is a new pipeline. Showing right here, where you now can switch between your different pipelines. You can have different pipelines for inbound and outbound leads, or a new one for existing customers, and so on. This is a topic for another time though. One last thing, make sure to use our partner code pdp-mxconsulting to get an extended 30-day trial of Pipedrive, even if you already have signed up. Try Pipedrive, the visual sales tool that gets your team organized to close more deals. Try it now free for 30 days instead of 14 days if you use our partner promo code pdp-mxconsulting. Well, that's it. Thank you. Hope you learned something useful today. Make sure to subscribe. Check out mxconsulting.com if you need further assistance.